Oh come on Nvidia, can't you give us a break? You've just barely avoided having your offices burnt down by an angry mob with the release of the RTX 4070, and already we are getting our very first rumours of what the RTX 4060 Ti will look like. And if I were you, the average viewer watching right now, I wouldn't put away your pitchforks just yet. While the topic of the RTX 4070 was already one of the most controversial things possible in the world of PC hardware, I have a feeling that the RTX 4060 Ti will be even more so, because we are getting the very first leaks of what the performance will look like, and it looks like Nvidia will be targeting to outperform the RTX 3070, which in itself isn't anything new, seeing how, that's pretty much the pattern every single generation, and at the end of the day, if it costs less than the 3070, it's an automatic win, I guess, and it will, seeing how its starting price is currently rumored to be $450, which, while sure it's $50 more than the last gen 3060 Ti, it should be worth it for all that awesome tech that comes with the Ada Lovelace architecture, right? Right? Anyone? But whatever, you don't care about any of that. You just want to know how much VRAM this graphics card will have. And VRAM isn't the only thing that matters in the world, and as long as it still remains competitive and bus width is big enough, it should still make up for a lot of performance. It's only 8GB, okay? There, I said it. Nvidia, get ready for the horde. But before you do anything drastic, just stay calm, take a deep breath, and consider the fact that not every graphics card can be 12GB, especially on a budget. And yes, I know that the 3060 had 12GB, and yes, I know that Nvidia are kicking themselves for doing it, but now that Genie's out of the lamp, it's gonna be very difficult for anything to even be remotely worth it when compared to the 3060, and Nvidia simply just have to try and work around that. And if you're not playing games at max settings 4K, which most likely you wouldn't be doing with a 60 tier card anyway, odds are you probably won't notice the fact it only has 8GB. Well, only. It's still a pretty decent number for a mid-range to entry-level graphics card like the 4060 Ti. And hey, if you do look at it in a more positive way, you are getting all the awesome tech like DLSS-free frame generation and AV1 encoding, not to mention the fact that when adjusted for inflation, the 4060 Ti will actually cost less than the 3060, but most people won't care about that. Most people will just be out for blood like usual. And it won't be long until you can begin your hunt, seeing how this product will most likely be launching sometime in May. So until then, if you want to buy a more sensible Nvidia product, then our Amazon links to some are going to be down in the video description below. And while still here, maybe also check out our Patreon, because even a single $1 month truly goes a long way. I'd also like to thank my existing patrons, Gavin Burns, Ryan, OKB, Justin Rage, Ella Roniak, Bada Schwelka, Nexum, Nashim Ucroft, Lansby, Sharon Odgunan, Level Up. Down there, you're also going to find our merch store, our Discord server, and our social media links as well. But anyway, that's all it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and see you all whenever I make next. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.